My lips tend to have a few dark spots that kind of make them look chapped, and since they're purple and my lips are mostly pink, I know that there's an excess of blue, so I'm just hitting them with a little bit of the 03, which is orange, which will just counteract that. And then I'm going to use this NV, which is a dark kind of a contour color, and I'm just going to use that around the outer edges of my lip to give it just a little bit of more of a pout. Then on the bottom, I'm going to contour that too a little bit. I'm using the NR just because that red is a little bit warmer, and so my lips are quite green around the outer edges of the bottom, so that's going to counteract that and look really natural. And then I'm going to highlight it with this purple color and get a little bit of this hot pink on there that will just make it look really vibrant, but it kind of acts like a stain, so it doesn't go anywhere throughout the day. It just kind of stains my lips and makes them look natural. I always approach my under eyes by just finding the darkest point, and in this case the darkest point is very blue, and the darker the blue is, the more I'll go up on the O scale. So I'll be using an 03 here. I don't usually use anything more pigmented than the 03. And then as it gets a little bit lower, it's still blue, but it gets a lot less pigmented, meaning I'm going to use the 01, and I'm just going to use that directly. You can see that I'm directly placing it on actual dark points and just kind of moving it around so that I can get all the dark points completely filtered out. And I'm using almost no product. Then I have a little bit of ashy purple. That's just kind of like a dark bluish purple. And I'm going to use a little bit of the yellow orange on that. A little bit of that ashy purple on the outer corner of my eye as well, which the yellow orange will counteract beautifully. That's literally all it takes to do my entire under eye. It never creases, cakes, nothing.